Hello, my dear students. For today's topic, we have solving systems of linear equations in two variables using the comparison method. We have example A, solve the system x plus 4y equals 2x minus 7y is equal to negative 1. So the first thing that we do is to solve both equations for x to find y. So, equation 1, we have x plus 4y equals 2. So, solve for x to find y. So, x equals, this is positive 4y. So, ilipat natin siya sa right side. So, magiging negative na po siya. Negative 4y plus 2. Then the next equation, second equation, we have 2x minus 7y is equal to negative 1. So 2x, ilipat po natin ang negative 7y to the right side. So magiging positive na po siya. 7y minus 1. So para magiging 1 po itong 2, so we have to divide 2x by 2. Also, this, we divide 7y minus 1 by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, 1x or x is equal to 7y minus 1 over 2. So, since both are equal to x, we have the first equation is x equals negative 4y plus 2. And the second equation is x equals 7y minus 1 over 2. We have to equate. Since both are equal to x, we have to equate. So, we have here the value of x is negative 4y plus 2 is equal to 7y minus 1 over 2. So this equation here in the right side is a fraction. So we need to get the LCD. So our LCD is 2. So we multiply these equations by the LCD 2. So we multiply both sides by 2. This side we multiply by 2. So 2 times negative 4y is negative 8y. 2 times 2 is 4. Equals 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So cancel. So ang natira na lang po ay 7y minus 1. Now, we have to combine the like terms. So, negative 8y. Ito pong 7y, ilipat po natin sa left side. Then, positive po siya dito, so magiging negative na po siya. Equals negative 1. Ilipat po natin ang constant. Positive po siya dito, so magiging negative na po siya. Negative 4. So now we have to add. Negative 8y plus negative 7y is negative 15y equals negative 1 plus negative 4 is negative 5. Pang magiging equal po itong negative 15y equal to 1. So, we divide both sides by negative 15. So, negative 15y divided by negative 15 is 1y or y equals. So, negative 5 over negative 15. So, kunin po natin ang GCF sa 5 and 15. So, or positive, magiging positive na po sila. So, 5 over 15. So, kunin po natin ang GCF. So, we have 5 is equal to 1 times 5. 15 is equal to 3 times 5. So, our GCF is 5. The greatest common factor is equal to 5. So, we have to divide the numerator by the GCF 5 and the denominator by 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So, y now is equal to 1/3. So, the value of y is equal to 1/3. The second thing that we do is to solve both equations for y to find x. So, we solve both equations for y. So, we have 4y equals, lipat po natin ang x sa right side. So, magiging negative na po siya, negative x plus 2. So, para magiging 1y ito or y, we have to divide both sides by 4. So, 4y divided by 4 is equal to y equals minus x plus 2 over 4. Ito po tayo sa second equation. We have negative 7y. Lipat po natin ang 2x. So, magiging negative na po siya dito sa right side. 2x minus 1. So, para magiging 1y ito or y, so, i-divide natin both sides by negative 7. So, cancel. 1y or y is equal to negative 2x minus 1 over negative 7. Or y is equal to negative 2x divided by negative 7 is positive 2x over 7. So, negative 1 divided by negative 7 is positive 1 over 7. So, since both are equal to y, we have to equate. Again, we have to equate. So, y is equal to negative x plus 2 over 4 equals 2x over 7 plus 1 over 7. So, since meron po tayong fraction, so we need to get the LCD of these denominators. So, our denominators, we have to get the LCM or the least common multiple of 4. So, 4 equals 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. So, denominator 7, we have 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 7 is equal to 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. So, wala pa tayong least common multiple. So, let's continue to denominator 4. So, 24 plus 4 is 28. So, mayroon na po tayong LCD. So, our LCD is 28. So, now we have to multiply both sides of the equations by the LCD. So, we have to multiply 28 times negative x plus 2 over 4 equals 28 times 2x over 7 plus 1 over 7. Now, 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So, ang natira is 7 times negative x plus 2 equals 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. So, ito po ay 4 na po siya dito. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So, 4 times 2x is equal to 8x plus 4 times, wala na po ito, kasi 28 divided by 7 is 4. So, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Now, we have to simplify. So, 7 times negative x is negative 7x plus 7 times 2 is equal to 14 equals 8x plus 4. Now, combine like terms. So, the like terms are negative 7x and negative 8x. So, negative 7x, ilipat po natin ang 8x sa left side. So, magiging negative na po siya. Equals 4, ilipat po natin ang 14 dito po sa right side. So, positive siya dito, so magiging negative na po siya. So, now, 7x plus 8x, we have to add because they have like signs. So, we bring the sign of negative, so 7 plus 8 is 15. X equals. We have to subtract because they have unlike sign. So, 14 minus 4 is 10. Dadalhin po natin ang sign ng bigger number which is negative. So, now, para magiging 1 po ito, 1x or x, so, i-divide po natin both sides by negative 15. So, negative 15. So, 15 divided by negative 15 is equal to 1. So, 1x or x is equal to, we have to find the greatest common factor. So, ito, magiging positive na po siya. 10 over 15. Because negative divided by negative is positive. Now, we have to get the GCF or the greatest common factor of 10 and 15. So, 10 is equal to 2 times 5. 15 is equal to 3 times 5. So, our GCF is equal to 5. Greatest common factor. So, we divide the numerator by 5, also the denominator by 5. So, equals 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, the value of x now is 2/3. So, the solution of the system is 2/3 for x and 1/3 for y. Now, we have to check kung magiging true po ba ang ating statement ng ating system. So, the first linear equation of our system is x plus 4y is equal to 2. Now, the value of x is 2/3 plus 4 times the value of y is 1/3 is equal to 2. So, 2/3 plus 4 times 1/3 is 4 over 3 or 4/3 equals 2. Now, we add the similar fractions. 2/3 plus 4/3 is 2 plus 4 is 6. Copy the denominator 3 equals 2. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2 equals 2. So, the first equation is true. Now, we have to check to our second equation, which is 2x minus 7y is equal to negative 1. So, 2 times the value of x is 2/3 minus 7 times the value of y, which is 1/3, equals -1. 2 times 2 is equal to 4/3. -7 times 1 is -7/3 is equal to -1. Now we add the similar fractions, or we subtract, because they have unlike signs. So this is positive and this is negative. So 7 minus 4 is 3 over, copy the denominator, 3. We have to bring the sign negative. So it's equal to -1. So -3 divided by 3 is -1, is equal to -1. So the equation, or the statement of our system in equation 2 is true. Now we have example 2. Solve the system 2x plus y equals 7, x minus 3y equals 5. So the first thing that we do is solve for x in terms of y to find y. So we have to solve both of the equations for x to find y. So our first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. So 2x, solve for x. So positive po ang y, so magiging negative na po siya. Plus 7. Divide both sides by 2. Pag magiging x po ito, or 1x, so cancel. 1x or x is equal to negative y plus 7 over 2. So next equation, we have x minus 3y equals 5. Solve for x equals, negative po ang 3y, so magiging positive na po siya, plus 5. So, since both are equal to x, so we have to equate. Equate po natin. So, negative y plus 7 over 2 is equal to 3y plus 5. So, since this is a fraction, we have to get the LCD. So, ano po ang LCD? LCD is equal to 2. So, we multiply both sides of our equation by the LCD 2. So, we multiply this equation by 2. Also, this equation by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, negative y plus 7 na lang po ang natira equals 2 times 3y is 6y plus 2 times 5 is 10. Now, we have to combine like terms. We have negative y and positive 6y. So, negative y. Since ilipat po natin ang 6y sa left side, so magiging negative na po siya. Equals 10. Ilipat po natin ang constant 7 sa right side, so magiging negative na po siya. So, negative y and negative 6y is, we have to add because they have like signs. So, negative 7y equals, we have to subtract because they have unlike signs. So, 10 minus 7 is 3. Now, upang magiging equal 1 po ito, or equal y, we have to divide both sides by negative 7. So, negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1, or 1y or y is equal to negative 3 over 7. Now that we have the value of y, which is negative 3 over 7, we have to solve for y in terms of x to find x. Okay. So we have the first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 7. So solve for y. So y is equal to, ilipat po natin ang 2x sa right side, so magiging negative na po siya, plus 7. So ito po ay y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. The second equation, we have to solve for y. So negative 3y equals, ito pong x ay positive, so ilipat natin sa right side, so magiging negative na po siya, plus 5. So para magiging y po ito, so we divide both equations by negative 3. Ito po ay negative 3. So cancel because equal to 1. So 1y or y is equal to negative x, and negative 3 is positive x over 3. Positive 5 divided by negative 3 is negative 5 over 3. So now we have, since both equations are equal to y, so we have to equate. Wait na po natin. Since both are equal to y, we have to equate. So negative 2x plus 7 is equal to x minus 5 over 3. So since mayroon po tayong fraction, so kukunin po natin ang LCD. So ang LCD is 3. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Ito po, multiply by 3. So 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x plus 3 times 7 is 21 equals 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, ang natira na lang po is x minus 5. Now, combine like terms. So, negative 6x. So, ilipat po natin ang x sa left side. So, magiging negative na po siya equals negative 5. Ilipat po natin ang constant na 21 to the right side. So, positive po siya dito. So, magiging negative na po siya. So, 6x plus negative x is negative 7x. We have to add because they have like signs. Dito po, we have to add because they have like signs also. So, 21 plus 5 is negative 26. Now, we divide both sides by negative 7 para magiging equal to x po ito. So, cancel because equal to 1. So, x is equal to positive because negative divided by negative is positive. So, 26 over 7. So, mayroon na po tayong value of x. So, our ordered pair we have x 26 over 7, y we have negative 3 over 7.